Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. In this session, I will guide you through 6 Qigong moves to unblock, to energize, and to get your blood flowing. We will do 50 repetitions for each movement. Now, let's get started. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Stack your hands on your lower abdomen. Women, left over right. For men, it is reversed. Observe a few cycles of breaths. Blink your eyes open. As you inhale, lift your arms to your shoulder height. As you exhale, sink your hips down. Tai Chi opening. Your arms follow the movement of your hips. Move as one. Like the ocean, the waves rising and falling. Come back to neutral. Prepare for the first movement. In a wider horse stance, extend the arms out and up. Cross over the front of the body and continue. Sink the hips down. Circle the arms. The majestic eagle spreads its wings. Synchronize the movement of your breath, your hips, and your arms. Aim the knees towards the second toes each time you sink the hips. The meridian pathways for the heart, the lungs and intestines, and the pericardium, and the triple warmer all travel along the arms and connect to the tip of the fingers. This movement smooths the flow of qi, clears stagnation. It strengthens the heart and boosts lung capacity. Soothes the intestines and improve shoulder mobility. Prepare for the second movement. Rotate through your spine. Rotating and knocking the same time. Have the hands naturally land on your shoulder and the lower back. The hands can be on top of the shoulder, or reach towards the back of the shoulder, or the front of the shoulder. The hands on the back, have it across the lower back. Turning the tide of the universe. Not only this will relieve stiffness from the spine, we're effectively giving the belt meridian a gentle massage. Now back to center for the next movement. Cross the arms as you side lunge to your left. Open the arms and open the chest. Inhale back to neutral. Exhale, side lunge to your right. Open the arms. Back to front. And then lunge to the left. Back to center. Lunge to the right. Side to side. moving with your breath. You might turn the toes forward each time you turn and moving into the side lunge. And aim the knee towards the second toe each time you shift. The meridian pathways for the kidneys, the bladder, the stomach and the spleen, liver and the gallbladder all travel along the torso and the legs and connect to the toes. This movement stimulates the flow of qi in these meridians, and qi guides the blood, clears stagnation. As you can feel, the movement brings mobility to the lower back, opens the hips, strengthens the leg, and builds stronger muscles. And come back to center and pause briefly before we're moving into the fourth movement, Windmill. Lunge to your left and begin to swing your arms backward like the windmill. Moving at your own pace. The timer is simply a guide. Opening the shoulder joints in the upper chest. It's quite strenuous. You can move at your own pace, fast or slow. And then come back to center and turn to the second side. Continue moving your arms. Also finding this nice gentle rotation in the spine as you're moving your arms up and back, up and back. Feel the upper back and your lower back. And the gentle rocking in your hips. Slow down and come back to neutral. Prepare for the next movement. Start with a horse stance with elbows interlaced. Begin to rock your horse. Arms at shoulder height, but shoulders are relaxed. Shift your center of gravity from one leg to the next and lift the opposite toes. Remember, aim the knees towards the second toes. Then subtly adjust the engagement of the hamstring. This fun movement smooths the flow of qi in the legs, hips, and the lower back, helping boost yang energy in the body. Come back to neutral, release the arms. Take a breath here, prepare for the last movement. Extend your arms and open your chest. Bend one knee to the side, keeping the other leg straight. Reaching one hand towards your foot. Extend the other arm up and look up. Feel a gentle diagonal stretch through the body. Once the stretch is done, rise all the way up, bring the hands to touch before you shift to the second side, moving at your own pace. Remember to bring arms all the way up when you rise. Feel this wonderful stretch. The hamstrings. When you're doing your own practice, make sure you stand on a firm ground. Open the rib cage, stimulating the gallbladder meridian and the stomach and the spleen. Boosting the flow of qi in the kidneys, and that the door of life point on the governing channel opposite from the navel. Rise up and come back to center. You did it. Flow your arms down towards your navel, stack the palms, left over right for female. For men, it is reversed. And gently massage your abdomen for 9 cycles of breaths. Friends, I hope this dynamic session left you feel energized. Please let me know how it went. Drop me a comment. If you enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.